How are you today? How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you.
What time is it? What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock.
Where is the bus stop? Where is the bus stop?
It's across the street. It's across the street.
Do you like coffee? Do you like coffee?
Yes, I drink it every morning. Yes, I drink it every morning.
What's your favorite color? What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue.
Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please?
Of course, what do you need? Of course, what do you need?
How was your weekend? How was your weekend?
It was really relaxing. It was really relaxing.
Where do you work? Where do you work?
I work at a small bookstore. I work at a small bookstore.
Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother. Yes, I have one brother.
What's the weather like today? What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm. It's sunny and warm.
Did you eat breakfast? Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, I had toast and eggs. Yes, I had toast and eggs.
Are you free tomorrow? Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, I have no plans. Yes, I have no plans.
What are you reading? What are you reading?
I'm reading a mystery novel. I'm reading a mystery novel.
Do you like movies? Do you like movies?
Yes, especially comedies. Yes, especially comedies.
How do you get to work? How do you get to work?
I usually take the subway. I usually take the subway.
What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30. I wake up at 6:30.
Where did you buy that shirt? Where did you buy that shirt?
I bought it at the mall. I bought it at the mall.
Can I borrow your pen? Can I borrow your pen?
Sure, here you go. Sure, here you go.
What's your phone number? What's your phone number?
It's 5551234. It's 5551234.
Do you like to cook? Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy making pasta dishes. Yes, I enjoy making pasta dishes.
What music do you listen to? What music do you listen to?
I like pop and jazz music. I like pop and jazz music.
How was the party? How was the party?
It was fun and lively. It was fun and lively.
Where did you grow up? Where did you grow up?
I grew up in a small town. I grew up in a small town.
Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Luna. Yes, I have a cat named Luna.
What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday?
I went shopping with my mom. I went shopping with my mom.
Are you hungry? Are you hungry?
Yes, I haven't eaten since breakfast. Yes, I haven't eaten since breakfast.
What languages do you speak? What languages do you speak?
I speak English and Spanish. I speak English and Spanish.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 25 years old. I'm 25 years old.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
I'm going to the library. I'm going to the library.
Do you like to exercise? Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I go jogging every morning. Yes, I go jogging every morning.
What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is pizza.
How far is the station? How far is the station?
It's about 10 minutes away. It's about 10 minutes away.
Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom?
It's down the hall on the right. It's down the hall on the right.
Do you have a car? Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a small blue car. Yes, I have a small blue car.
What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies?
I enjoy painting and hiking. I enjoy painting and hiking.
How was your day? How was your day?
It was busy but productive. It was busy but productive.
Where shall we meet? Where shall we meet?
Let's meet at the coffee shop. Let's meet at the coffee shop.
Do you want some water? Do you want some water?
Yes, I'm very thirsty. Yes, I'm very thirsty.
What time does the store open? What time does the store open?
It opens at 9 in the morning. It opens at 9 in the morning.
Can you come to my party? Can you come to my party?
Yes, I'd love to come. Yes, I'd love to come.
How did you sleep? How did you sleep?
I slept very well, thanks. I slept very well, thanks.
What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Sarah. My name is Sarah.
Do you like to swim? Do you like to swim?
Yes, I go swimming every week. Yes, I go swimming every week.
Where is the nearest store? Where is the nearest store?
It's just around the corner. It's just around the corner.
What do you do on weekends? What do you do on weekends?
I usually visit my family. I usually visit my family.
Can I use your phone? Can I use your phone?
Yes, here it is. Yes, here it is.
How long have you lived here? How long have you lived here?
I've lived here for 3 years. I've lived here for 3 years.
Where are your keys? Where are your keys?
They're on the kitchen table. They're on the kitchen table.
Do you want to get coffee? Do you want to get coffee?
Yes, that sounds great. Yes, that sounds great.
What's your job? What's your job?
I'm an elementary school teacher. I'm an elementary school teacher.
How much is this book? How much is this book?
It costs $15. It costs $15.
Where did you learn English? Where did you learn English?
I learned it in school. I learned it in school.
Do you have the time? Do you have the time?
It's 4:15. It's 4:15.
What are you doing tomorrow? What are you doing tomorrow?
I'm going to visit my grandmother. I'm going to visit my grandmother.
How do you feel? How do you feel?
I feel a little tired today. I feel a little tired today.
Where should we eat lunch? Where should we eat lunch?
Let's eat at the Italian restaurant. Let's eat at the Italian restaurant.
Do you like sports? Do you like sports?
Yes, I enjoy playing tennis. Yes, I enjoy playing tennis.
What's your favorite season? What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring. My favorite season is spring.
How was the movie? How was the movie?
It was exciting and funny. It was exciting and funny.
Where can I buy tickets? Where can I buy tickets?
You can buy them online. You can buy them online.
Do you study or work? Do you study or work?
I work during the day and study at night. I work during the day and study at night.
What time is dinner? What time is dinner?
Dinner is at 7 o'clock. Dinner is at 7 o'clock.
How do I get to the park? How do I get to the park?
Walk 3 blocks and turn right. Walk 3 blocks and turn right.
Where were you born? Where were you born?
I was born in Chicago. I was born in Chicago.
Do you like to dance? Do you like to dance?
Yes, I love dancing to all kinds of music. Yes, I love dancing to all kinds of music.
What did you have for lunch? What did you have for lunch?
I had a sandwich and an apple. I had a sandwich and an apple.
How often do you exercise? How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week. I exercise 3 times a week.
Where do you like to shop? Where do you like to shop?
I like to shop at small local stores. I like to shop at small local stores.
Do you want to join us? Do you want to join us?
Yes, I would be happy to join you. Yes, I would be happy to join you.
What are your plans for summer? What are your plans for summer?
I plan to travel to the beach. I plan to travel to the beach.
How do you spell your name? How do you spell your name?
Sarah. Sarah.
Where is the closest bank? Where is the closest bank?
It's next to the post office. It's next to the post office.
Do you watch TV often? Do you watch TV often?
No, I prefer reading books. No, I prefer reading books.
What do you usually eat for breakfast? What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat cereal with fruit. I usually eat cereal with fruit.
How was your vacation? How was your vacation?
It was wonderful and relaxing. It was wonderful and relaxing.
Where can I find a good restaurant? Where can I find a good restaurant?
There's a nice one on Main Street. There's a nice one on Main Street.
Do you live nearby? Do you live nearby?
Yes, I live 2 blocks from here. Yes, I live 2 blocks from here.
What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 11. I usually go to bed at 11.
How can I help you? How can I help you?
Could you show me the way to the station? Could you show me the way to the station?
Would you like some tea? Would you like some tea?
Yes, with a little sugar, please. Yes, with a little sugar, please.